This video is made for educational purpose only, with significant text commentary.
What the fuck was that, dude?
Oh no! उसने भगाए कि इसने भगाए?
इसने ये जा रहे थे और
This regime is going to mean for that were mostly untouched, not harassed by the former regime in Bashar al-Assad, they were largely left alone. So they're
Ay, Dios mío. Giving out
goddamn smarting as hell. She must have been at the back of the line and got the leftovers. Oh, you stupid son of a bitch. That motherfucker got brake checked. Shit, they went across the goddamn road. Right there in front of me. Literally, they went across the goddamn road. There's 2 lanes going down through here. Motherfucker brake checked them. They hit their goddamn brakes. She yanked the goddamn wheel, cut over in front of me, and went across the fucking median and up through the fucking bank. Damn.
Is being a cop like playing Monopoly? Get him! Get him, get him, get him! Oh, instant justice! Oh.
Take the next left onto North.
Oh my god, dude, what was that? Whoa, what happened? Oh my god. Was that the guy with the speeding here?